Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up assistant menu button shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, first of all, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, next interaction and dexterity, and here we have our assistant menu. What is the assistant menu? This is assistant menu button. As you can see, we have a few options here right now, but we want to set up a shortcut for this button. So, assistant menu, and here is our shortcut. We need to enable it, yes, allow, and next we can also change our shortcut. For example, we can have this option right here, as you can see, assistant menu, or we can choose two other options. For example, press side and volume keys buttons simultaneously, or the other option. No need to save. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.